keep her over there for a second. Alright guys, so I thought it would be a great idea to try my hand at making one of these little burlesque feather fans. They're pretty expensive online, so I wanted to figure out if I could do it myself. This one, it's definitely very time consuming, but I got gray feathers because I figured it would go with the red lingerie or black lingerie or whatever lingerie that one of my clients brought in. So super happy with the gray, and all I need to do now is go back here and trim off these extra pieces of the wire that I used to fasten the feathers to the fan stave. Not as easy as it looks, but I think it turned out pretty good, and yes, can't wait to shoot with it.